Hey, welcome back to Togal AI. We're going to be going through a quick demonstration on how we can use Togal AI to count windows and get us some information back for our takeoff. We can start here by doing some counts. And we have two different tools that we can use depending on your drawings. And whether we're doing this on a floor plan or an elevation, the process is going to be the same. We can start by going to our search tool over on the left. We have a text and an image search. Text, we can just type it in exactly how we see it. If we want to look for these W4.1 windows, I can just hit that and hit enter, and it's going to find 162 items on this page where W4.1 came up. I can turn it into a count simply by choosing a classification, and I can select the W4.1 windows. When I click convert, it will show up over here on the right, those 162 items, also with square footage and total perimeter based on my count. I can also search the set here. What this will do is scan all of my documents that I have uploaded to find out where W4.1 all comes up. In this case, it came up 1,200 times through 6 drawings. Now, what to point out here is it not blindly counting everything for you, it's just telling you where the matches are. It wants you to go to that page to confirm it, to make sure that it's not grabbing it off a legend or schedule or even from specifications. So when I click on this drawing, just like the previous page, I can see everywhere that it's highlighted. You'll notice over on the right, my count says 0. So until I choose my classification and convert it, that's when it'll show up over here. I can do the same thing on each page, click convert, and done, and that's what I've done. I've just gone and counted every single item on here. And I've got the total count, total square footage, and total perimeter. Other things you can do here on Togal AI for Glass is utilize our Togal chat. The Togal chat will have access to any documents you have uploaded. In this case, I have 125 plans and almost 1,200 pages of specs. When I go into Togal chat, we can use this to access some information and get us whatever we want back. As an example, I put in here, create a detailed scope of work as it pertains to a glass and glazing subcontractor. It does just that. It looks through the plans and specs. It gives me links to pages on where it's pulling information from and talking to us about either about framing systems, sealants, approved manufacturers, any type of relevant information. It's even given us acceptable manufacturers with links to their websites. Now, I also put another prompt in here saying, hey, can you provide me the window dimensions in a table format by tag? As long as our chat has access to some of this information, it will give us, exactly that. In the event that it needs you to go and verify it, it will be marked on here to tell you, hey, go verify to make sure that it lines up appropriately. The Togal chat is great virtual assistant that's built in here for you. Instead of you scrolling through 1,300 pages or how many ever you have uploaded, it can find all this information instantly. I can copy and paste this table into Excel or Google Sheets or wherever you need to. Now, coming back to our project here, if our counts were all selected and done, I can export all this information just by going to Export to Excel. And it will show me the total of all the windows that I counted across those few drawings. For a total of 585, I can have pricing, whatever type of information that you requested back here. Now, I can group and organize my data a number of different ways. We can do it simply by drawing on here. I can also put show totals so I can see the totals of everything that I've done. I can customize more fields if I wanted this to read sealant or total caulking around the perimeter, whatever you can think of. But to see a custom demonstration of Togal AI on your plans, go to our website, togal.ai, and book a custom demonstration.